Hello guys, today I will discuss about the how to create the digital alarm, how to program of the digital alarm. So let's start. Now I have created all program which is which is used by a timer. So this is my timer and I am programming it like M0 whenever it is inactive. So then timer will be start after 5000 millis, 5000 complete, will automatically deactivate. So it will be coming in the loop. So now the timer value process value is coming on timer T0 tm0.b. So I'm comparing this value MW 4400 for 4000 between the value, then it will become as a low alarm. And if this value will become between this MW20 MW30 between this value, then this will become in low alarm signal. And if value will keep between 440 to 450 MW value, then it will be normal. And 460 to 470 MW, whatever we will enter in this value, then it will become high alarm warning. And after that high alarm value. Let's see, watching on mode scan. With the mode scan, I'm opening this, double click on this and okay, and this, let's see, come on this type, go 400 holding register and connect it. This IP address is ideal IP address. Now launch the simulator. Start the PLC and go on. Okay, click OK, yes, and click OK. Now PLC is connected with the simulator. Now I'm putting the value of 400 will become on the 401, just 500. Okay, this value has come at here. Okay, now I'm for maximum value is 4000 1000 on 411. This value has become here. Now the value will be, whenever value between this amount, then it will become on low alarm. Let's see, in less than, greater than 500 and less than 1000. See, this is the low alarm. Now similarly we will do for all over 100 20 21 1500 and 1500 20 1000. This value has become here 20 2021. It will come on 2021. MW20. Disconnect. MW20. MW20 21. Okay, similarly all value will be come with low alarm, high alarm.